Lesson 1. The Time Value of Money. Part 1. Even at modest amounts of growth, compounding still produces staggering amounts of wealth over long investment periods. Let's look at what compounding can do for you in your lifetime. We're going to look 40 years into the future. In the investing world, we don't need an actual time machine. All we need is a little help from nothing more than a calculator. Imagine investing $1,000 at an annual growth rate of 10%, which mirrors the long-term average annual return of the stock market. After 40 years, this initial investment would grow to approximately $45,259, or 45 times your original investment. Now imagine if you invested $1,000 for 40 years in a high-quality portfolio of fast-growing companies, achieving an annual growth rate of 15% instead of 10%. Over that period, your investment would balloon to $267,864, or 268 times your original investment. Impressed? Wait, it gets better. What if instead of investing $1,000 only once at the beginning of the first year, you invested $1,000 every year for 40 years, with each year's investment growing by 10%? After 40 years, your investment would grow to $486,582. With an annual growth rate of 15%, investing $1,000 every year can balloon to $2,045,954 over 40 years. Can you see the potential? Money that you start investing today can grow into surprisingly large sums over the long term. Making small, wise decisions about saving and investing now, especially at a young age, can yield transformative results in the future. Before you get too excited about the potential of compounding your money, you need to be aware of one piece of important information. If you withdraw your profits in any meaningful amount, you will severely harm the compounding process. Let's look at two scenarios. The first scenario is that you compound your money for 10 years at 10%. That means your money grows by 10% per year for 10 years, just to be clear. If you start with $1,000, then in 10 years, if you don't touch the money, it will grow to $2,594, or 2.6 times your original investment. Scenario 2 is you withdraw 50% of your profits at the end of every year. In 10 years, your account will be worth $1,629. By withdrawing money in any year, you reduce the expected future value of your account by a significant amount. The lesson is don't invest money that you might need to use for personal reasons in the near term.